What's inside my backpack bright? Something fun and full of light. Crayons, books, and pencils too. Every day brings something new. Backpack surprise, open wide. Let's see what's hiding inside. Learning tools and colors shine. School time fun for you and mine. A ruler long, a glue so neat. Counting blocks can't be beat. Flashcards, snacks, and sticky notes. Ready to learn, that's how it goes. Backpack surprise, what a delight. Every day feels just right. Letters, numbers, songs, and cheer. Learning magic everywhere here. Zip it up, we're good to go. New adventures start to grow. My backpack sings a happy tune. See you again tomorrow.